How to add Lloyds card to Apple Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you add Lloyds card to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open Apple Wallet app on your iOS device. Simply, it is pre-installed on your iOS device. If you not find it, you can simply install it from the App Store. After you open Apple Wallet, at the top right, tap on plus icon. From here, choose for the option debit or credit card. From here, tap on continue. And from here, tap on enter card details manually at the bottom. From here, enter the card details like name and card number. After that, tap on next at the top right. After you enter that, a verification process will be start. After you verify that, you'll be able to add Lloyds card to Apple Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.